Raise your hand if you use some really random things to hold down your patterns while you're prepping to sew. Like this vintage can of Sailor Moon pasta. Hello, I'm Allie, the literary sewist, here in my Crafting Castle I create projects inspired by the books I read. In this video, I'm going to trade in all of the random objects I use for pattern weights for some cute plushies from Choly Knight Patterns. They weren't designed to be pattern weights, so let me show you what I did that's a little bit different to make them the perfect pattern weights. Before we get started, be sure to head over to Choly Knight and grab your favorite pattern. Any one of them will work, but the snack foods seem to be a little bit better fitted for using them as pattern weights. So go take a look and let me know what you come up with. The first thing I did differently was to reduce the size of the patterns to 70%. I'm using the Onigiri in Nikumon patterns. I started basic construction with the outer details. I'm using heat and bond to attach the face details. Instructions say to sew them on, but I chose not to for this project. I also sewed the darts as instructed. With the onigiri face down, smooth out the backside. Using lead curtain weights, which come in little pouches, place one weight against each dart, pin the tab in place. You will have 3 for the onigiri with the tabs in the center and the lead in the darts. Sew the tabs in place as close to the lead as possible, sew back and forth over each tab a few times so they are nice and secure. Finish sewing the pattern as instructed. On the back bottom dart of the Nikumon, center the tab of the lead weight, pin in place, then repeat for the back. Pin, then sew the front and back together. You will sew the tabs into the seam allowance. Sew over the tabs a few times so they are nice and secure. Make sure the weights are flat, then add polyfill to a medium dense weight. Lastly, hand sew the openings closed per the pattern instructions. I did add one extra loose weight to the Nikumon just for good measure. Alright, it's time to fess up. What have you been using for pattern weights? Let me know down in the comments. If you're excited to make one or more of these for your next project, give this video a thumbs up. Then pop on over here for even more fun sewing project ideas. And I'll see you in the next one.